I might try on the way home, put something in there in the Google Maps.
Yeah.
That's the one I use at work all the time. Are you going to want to text her?
I just assume if we ever stop, I'll text her. I tried to text her, but every time you hit a bump, it says it can't fill in the blanks or whatever.
Well, you ought to be able to tell Siri to send her a text. Say, hey Siri, send whoever a text or whatever number.
With you being on the line, or I gotta switch over?
Yeah, but once you say, hey Siri, it should come up and switch you.
Alright, I'll tell you. Hey Siri. Nope.
No, okay. I was going to say down here in Stillwater we can stop. I'm guesstimating half an hour from down here to Newcomerstown, or yeah. So I don't know if you want to stop down here or you want to drive out there or text her before we eat or what.
Do it now.
Okay. We'll stop down here in Stillwater. What?
I just did it. I just sent her a text.
So we don't have to stop?
Yeah.
All right. Well, here's Stillwater. We'll be turning right down here.
Okay. I was trying to text her out on 250 and it was hitting on the bumps and it wouldn't let me type anything. But I just typed it through.
Okay.
Catman's local value sales. Oh, I remember this.
Huh?
It's down past that store. Restaurant. I remember this.
Yeah. We kept saying we want to try this sometime. And I saw that on that website. 258 West. Supposed to be in the top 10 of the state of Ohio motorcycle rides.
Little barn.
Yeah, I like it already. Old what log house up there? School.
Cloudy.
Yeah, we're gonna get rained on, I think. Parts of a little gravel here. Like I said, I think this is only about a half an hour ride through here, so. A little twisty turny already. That's what I was telling you the other day. There's probably 1,000 routes we could ride just around here without going anywhere.
Yeah.
sharp turn here.
I couldn't get my hand up the wave, so I just honked. Ah.
Who'd you wave at?
There's girls in the garden and there was waving.
Oh. I didn't even see it. I thought the bikes were possessed because it honked at that other one. I ain't gonna go too fast because I don't know what the roads are like. So.
I know.
Well, I know, but there's all kinds of look, the pine needles and shit. So what do you think so far? I was kind of afraid it was going to be an old beat up road, potholes and...
It looks like it's fairly big.
Yeah. I think I might have to come back out here sometime. Kind of reminds me of 93 and 60. We still haven't done that for you yet. That's why it's 15. See, this is the same thing we'll have to do on the tail of the dragon.
Yeah.
Because we've never been on it, so you got to take your time and everything else.
Yeah.
Then you got to watch out for the people coming across the line the other way.
Well, that's bad, guys. You gotta ride clear to the white line.
Yeah. Well, I've watched some videos over the years, and you come up over a turn, and there's a semi truck there. There's nowhere for you to go. But
I don't know how they're allowed on there.
they posted they're not allowed. But that doesn't mean it stops people from doing it. Then you got the guys on crotch rockets that think they can go 150 miles an hour on there. And they got a speed limit